there's nobody else out there. There's nobody out there doing it for the young men and women that are struggling every day and want to thrive and show something that they can possibly do this and get a grade for it. It's something totally different that nobody else is doing. Everybody else wants to do bullet point education, and they don't understand that bullet point education does not teach to 95% of the kids that are out there. So your interface that you guys have come up with is what I've been doing for years, but my interface is all here, and it's never been in there. And when we can put it in there, it can just help more than the 36 or the 100 students that I have in my 2 welding schools. It can help kids throughout the entire world. That's why this is so important to me.